Hey everyone, so roughly day 5 here on this car. We've got most of the wrap done. Got the guys in the background doing some fab on car 9. But we've made some progress and I'll show you the top side of that now. So we've got Sebastian here doing some wiring underneath the car. He's trying to work on it while I shoot a video. Thanks for letting me lower it. We've got the radiator stack installed at this point, which I'll show from the underside as well. It all installs as one unit. Power steering lines are mostly run. Heat shielding has been added, so this is power steering system. Just running an electric pump over here. Got our big M4 engine fan installed. There's something else kind of cool on the front of this engine if you know what you're looking at. Started to add the brackets for the expansion tank, which those are all this stuff is 3D printed out of nylon, so it's basically super strong and lightweight plastic. So chill out's installed on our, we laser cut this plate for mounting these things. You can also use a weight plate. PMU's installed, fire system and battery have been installed, and all the fuel cell covers and lines have basically been installed at this point. So we're also gonna have all the firewall block off pieces are in, and that's where all the connectors will go through. Got our steering wheel dangly going. And moving to the back, yeah, just all the air jacks are installed, air jack lines. These are all planned out routing, and we have a full kit to make those. Most of this has been done by Nick, who's been hammering on this car to get it done. We got it all, it's all wrapped too. It's just a nice silver. Got the radiator stack in. It's all mounted as one assembly and pre-assembled. It just drops in onto the stock locations. Oil coolers mounted up to it as well. This makes it very convenient. Power steering lines are in, starter wiring, and fuel line, the hard line underneath the car. So we make a new hard line that goes underneath, and the flex fuel sensors under here, but have a shield for that, have a shield for where it runs through from the bottom of the cell. Got the heat shielding in on the fuel cell. So I think that's about it for the underside. Not a huge amount of change from the previous video. All this stuff is about the same. So we'll move on to probably check in again on Friday.